Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to take you guys with me to Calgary. So I went to Calgary. It was just on a short trip, and I decided, okay, since I'm in Calgary, why not go downtown? So I booked a cab and I headed downtown. So let's see what's happening downtown, and it's actually a Sunday evening, so it wasn't busy. So I arrived downtown and it's very quiet, not busy, not many people on the street. In fact, there were just a few people on the street. And I really wanted to go to the Calgary Tower, so I made my way to the Calgary Tower. Once I got to Calgary Tower, I made my way to the ticket counter, bought a ticket, and I looked at some of the plaques on the wall. And then I made my way to the elevator to go on the observation deck. The ticket was actually cheap, it was $22. So, yeah. When you're in the elevator, the cool feature is that as you're going up the levels to get to the observation deck, you actually get a visual of outside. So that's pretty cool. And just look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That scene is just breathtaking. Okay, it was just an awesome view and I really enjoyed it. I walked around the I walked around to see the 360 view, and there was this spot where people could stand, where people stand in the corner to take photos. That little spot right there, I could not for the love of me stand in that spot. Okay, it was just so nerve wracking. I could not stand there, but nonetheless I just continued, just walked around, looked, and yeah. Once I was done with the view, I headed to the gift shop to see what they had. They had quite a number of items in the gift shop. So, I just took a look, see what I could find. I wanted something very simple to just remind me of the trip, so I grabbed a fridge magnet, the one to the left. Yeah. So, yeah, I just grabbed one of those and then made my way to the cashier and I was out. Because I had just a short time in Calgary, I just wanted to do as much as I could in that short time. So, here I am just standing, just looking where else to go. So, I made my way down the street, and there was this really beautiful street that I saw on my way to the tower. So, I thought, why not go there to check it out? And here it is. It's quite colorful, quite vibrant, and there were quite a number of people on the street just hanging out on patios, just chatting about whatever they're chatting about and just relaxing on the beautiful Sunday evening. So I got to this corner to cross the street to continue on my way to the colorful to the colorful street, and I looked to the left and I saw this and I was like, what's that? So I just went to check it out. Once I was done with that, I continued on my way to the colorful street. Once I was done with the street, I made my way to where I saw a very beautiful sculpture. I don't remember the name of the street, and I also don't remember the name of the sculpture, but I'll definitely leave it in the comment section. So if you go to Calgary, you definitely have to check these three places out. That's Calgary Tower, the street, and also this particular sculpture. I'll leave the name in the description. And here's the sculpture. It's just, when you are up close, it's really breathtaking. It's very nice. So yeah, that's it for Calgary City. With the little time I had, I tried to just walk around and just look at as many things as I could. So yeah, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.